भूख लगी है खाना दो, मम्मा जल्दी खाना दो, भूख लगी है खाना दो,
No, don't eat that. No, 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 no. Don't eat that. Don't. Hey Super Mommies and Daddies, this is Vivaan and I am Meera Raval signing in from my channel dream.catcher.meera, and we are supermarket. I am going with my son for shopping to buy his oats because he eats daily oats. Almost every day he eats oats, and that's why we are going to go there and buy. So watch this video till the end as I am going to show you all the oats recipe that I give to my son. So let's get started. So these are different oats recipes with fruits and vegetables that I started with my son when he was already 6 months. You can give your babies when they are 6 months and above all these recipes. So watch this video till the end. To start with, we will take oats. You can either take roasted oats or you can take a normal oats and roast it at your home. Grind the oats into a mixture and make it a fine powder and store it into a glass jar. And then you can keep it into fridge if you want to store it for a longer time. As you can see, I've stored in the jar so that I do not need to grind it every time, and every time I need it, I took a spoon of it and use it according to my requirements. Starting with the first recipe, you can just give oats without any fruits or vegetables also. For that, I took 1 spoon of oats into around 100 to 150 ml of water, boiled it to a perfect consistency and then served it. Now we start with fruits and oats recipe. The first fruit is pear. I slice the pear and peel off the skin and then cut it into small pieces and put it into the vessel to boil it along with a spoon of oats and let it boil to a perfect consistency. After that, I took it off from the stove, let it cool for a few minutes and then took a blender and grind it. You can also do it in a mixture jar as per your choice. Also, if you want, you can serve it a little bit hot. All this oats recipe, you can serve it as breakfast, lunch or dinner. It's up to your choice when you want to give to your child. I prefer to give fruits and oats recipe as a breakfast and with vegetable in dinner. It is well known that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So I added apple to his diet. I took an apple, cut it into half and peeled the skin and then grated it and added to the oats meal to make it a perfect meal for the breakfast. If you want, you can also cut it into small pieces and at the end blend it to make a perfect consistency for the breakfast. Moving to the next recipe, prepare the oats meal first and then in a bowl, take a banana, cut it into half or according to the requirement. Take the piece of banana and smash it with a fork, and at the end when the oats meal is prepared, let it cool for some time and then add it into this ball of smashed banana. You can also add formula milk or breast milk as per your requirement and add to this to make a perfect smooth combination of the entire dish. The next recipe is a veggie recipe. Take sweet potato and green peas. Cut the sweet potatoes into small pieces and take the green peas, add it to the bowl. Boil it along with the oats and then blend it. Here I would like to mention that my son did not like the recipe, did not like the taste of it because of the green peas, and I would suggest you can avoid green peas. But it is always different with different babies. Someone like the taste of green peas and someone don't. So just try it out. It may be possible that your son or your girl would like it. Moving forward to the next recipe, it is oats and plum recipe. Take a plum, peel the skin off, cut it into small pieces and add along with the oats and boil it, and then at the end, as usual, blend it to make it a perfect consistency for your baby to eat. The next recipe is of dates and oats recipe. This recipe is very useful for all those mommies who want their babies to gain good amount of weight. Yes, babies who are underweight and moms are very much worried about them. This is the perfect combination of oats meal which you can give to your babies to gain the weight. Also, dates are very good and very rich in iron, so it is also useful to maintain the good levels of hemoglobin in blood. So try this recipe. For that you need to take 3 dates and then cut it into small pieces and boil it along with the oats, then blend it and serve it to your child. Last but not the least, in India these days it is a big good season of chikkus. So make a chikku oats meal. Peel the skin of the chikku and cut it into small pieces and boil it along with the oats, and then as usual blend it and serve it to your baby and see the magic of chikku and oats. Your child will definitely love it. So try out all this oats recipe and let me know in the comment section which one was best for your baby. And if you like all this combination of oats meal or even one single combination of oats meal, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for such interesting motherhood videos of my experience. Also hit the bell button so that you get notification at every next video that I upload. And yes, I upload my videos every Sunday, so don't forget, stay tuned, keep watching Dreamcatcher.meera. For now, I am Meera Raval signing off from my channel Dreamcatcher.meera. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, namaste.